My trust was made in 2013 and is still correct. Is there a time limit on trusts?
Welcome to Barry's Bites. Please join our host, attorney and financial advisor Chris Barry.
Question is, created a trust in 2013. Is it still valid? Trusts remain valid, but I would say with an estate plan, there's three things that can come up. One is there could be changes in your family situation. Like maybe you set up the trust and now the kids were younger and you didn't have them serving. Now maybe you want the kids to serve. Second, there could be changes in law. For example, 2020, we had the Secure Act. 2018, we had the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. 2012, Michigan changed the financial powers of attorney laws. So the laws are always changing. Even this year, we had the bill that got passed July 4th, the one big, beautiful bill. So laws are always changing, which sometimes would warrant a change to an estate plan, depending on how it's set up. And then third thing, especially if you have a trust, is you need to make sure the trust is still funded correctly, making sure all the different accounts and assets are still pointing to the trust. Like you might have done the trust in 2013, we would have helped you like get everything funded and titled correctly. But if we haven't talked and it's like 10 years plus down the line and you opened up a new CD, we need to make sure that that account is pointing to the trust. It's not like the trust has a specific list of those accounts. It's just that those accounts have to point to the trust. So yeah, the trust is still valid. Whether it warrants a update, it would depend on your family situation, any changes in law, and then just making sure the trust is funded correctly.